Good evening, that's number one. Can't forget about number one. This your boy Nerdbroke You with another episode of Just a Quick 4 with VBA. So we're going to jump right into it. Create table 2 as list object. So we're going to finish our table. This object, we're going to say dim range as range, as you would think it would be. Alright, and we're going to jump down here and define our range. We're going to say set range equal to ws.range. And here's the thing, this is going to be kind of long. So first we got to convert our number into a character value. So 64 plus 1 will be A for column A, but we want to go in start column, and that's a quick way to convert that. Then we're going to do and. We're going to do 1 dot colon, so the first row in that column, and then we're going to do it through char 64 again. 64 plus start column plus 2, because we have to make space for the header, and the last position. Okay, so that's that. And then we have to do unique or ubound of unique array. And that is plus 2. Alright, so that's our range. So now we're going to add our table. So ws.listObjects.add. First thing is the first argument is going to be Excel source src range. Then we're going to do range, then we're going to do a third comma, and then we're going to do Excel yes for the header. And then we're going to set that name equal to something easy to remember, table 2. And then let's say set table 2 equal to ws.listObjects. And we're going to call it out directly, table 2. Boom. So now, once you've created those tables, what's nice about tables is when you add a value in the top, let's say you add a function, it'll copy it all the way down through the column. So then we're going to say table2.cells or data body range dot cells. We'll say 1, 2 dot value. Say equal, and we're going to say double quotes. Say equal. We're going to say countif for the function, and we're going to refer to table 1 in the type 1 column. That's the one we've been focused on. And we're going to say if it's equal to, in our same column, at type. Cool. So now that we got that, we can go down here, copy it, and the only difference is we're going to add another function type in column 3, and instead of countif, we're going to do count A. So we're going to take this, divide it by, and we're going to say count A, and we just, all count A is counting everything in that column that is not a 0 value. Alright, so that is our percentage. So it's going to get the fraction, multiply times 100 to get the percentage. Alright, and once we got that, we should have our table. The only thing is we want to make sure we don't make duplicates. So we're going to do if ws.listObjects.count is greater than 1, then if say ws.listObjects. Say table 2, if it's already created, just delete it so we don't duplicate it and cause an error. Alright, so we go here, click play. Boom! Now we got our new table. Place it again. We get it again. Perfect. So now we got our new table. So we created our new table in our new subroutine. Thank you for liking. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank y'all again. Keep coding.